Why does this iterative list growing code give index error, list assignment index out of range? How can I repeatedly add, append, elements to a list? I tried writing some code like, but I get an error message that says index error column list assignment index out of range, referring to the JK equals L line of code. Why does this occur? How can I fix it?
J is an empty list, but you're attempting to write to element 0 in the first iteration, which doesn't exist yet. Try the following instead, to add a new element to the end of the list. Of course, you'd never do this in practice if all you wanted to do was to copy an existing list. You just do. Alternatively, if you wanted to use the Python list like an array in other languages, then you could pre-create a list with its elements set to a null value, none in the example below, and later, overwrite the values in specific positions. The thing to realize is that a list object will not allow you to assign a value to an index that doesn't exist.
Your other option is to initialize J.
Do j.append L instead of jk equals L and avoid k at all.
You could also use a list comprehension, or make a copy of it using the statement